welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to do a collective Ulta haul. This is things that I've purchased over the last maybe 2 to 3 weeks. And I just been bagging everything to share with you guys. A few of these products I have gone into and played in, and I'll kind of go over that with you guys. And there may be a few things that I have already shared with you, but I don't recall if I shared in a recent or the last Ulta haul. So I'm just going to reshare them with you because I wasn't 100% sure. So like I said, this is a collective haul, and I have my bag here. Started with what's on my table right here first, just to get it out the way. So I shared with you guys in a recent makeup look that I did, and I used this in the video. This is one of Anastasia Beverly Hills, ABH, their new lip velvet liquid lipsticks, and I picked this up. They're so pretty. They don't have a lot of shades, maybe 5 I want to say, but I love the way these feel on the lips. I will say that I still find these to be a little drying for my lips. I do have very dry lips, as you can see right now. They don't look so bad, but once I put this on, I feel like it just like picks up all of that stuff. Sorry about my watch, guys. I'm gonna just swatch for you the shade. The packaging is so beautiful. And then, like I said, this is in the shade Pure Hollywood, and it's their new lip velvet, and this is what the shade looks like right there. It's very pretty. The next thing I picked up was this Beverly Hills this ABH lip liner, which is Anastasia lip liner in Dusty Rose. I just thought this was super pretty. The combo together, I feel like, is so pretty. If my camera will focus. There we go. Right there. And this can be worn, I got a little deeper shade because I feel like it could be worn alone or together in conjunction. I picked up those two. And then the other thing I picked up from Anastasia, because I've been seeing this and I've been wanting to try it. The shade I actually wanted, they were out of, but I went ahead and picked this one up. This is the Fawn contour stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a bronzing stick in a cream formula, and that is what it looks like. It's super creamy. I do feel like it's a great color match for me. I feel like if I might even go up a shade darker, that it would be a little bit too red for my skin tone. But so far, I've been loving these two products. This one, I'm not sure how I feel because I do normally put a lip oil underneath first, but I do feel like it just picks up those dead patches or dry skin on my lips. Thing that I picked up, or the next few things, are from Wet n Wild. So my Ulta, I don't know if other Ultas, my Ulta no longer carries Wet n Wild, so we got rid of their products in our store, and they put a lot of the stuff on clearance. And I have wanted to try this concealer from them because Emily Noel 83, we'll link her down below, but she always raves about this concealer, and it was on clearance for $2.99, regular $5.99. And of course, I got my additional discount. So these are the Incognito concealers, and I picked up 2 because I wasn't sure which one it would be. I picked up Light Honey and Light Beige, and these are what they look like. I have heard a lot of good things about this concealer. Again, I picked up both because I wasn't sure which one would suit me better. So I thought those were steals. And then I also thought if one doesn't work for me, I can always pass it to my daughter because she tends to like to come to get my things, so I thought I would pick up those. One does seem a little lighter than the other, but I think that'll work out great because I could use one for under the eyes and one for all over the face. So I picked up those 2. Another Wet n Wild thing I picked up that was on clearance is this Wet n Wild, I believe it's a cream shadow. It's in the shade, where is it at? Their writing is so tiny. Lunar Beige. And I got it for $2.74 on clearance. But like I said, of course, with my discount, it was a little bit less. I'm going to open it and we're going to swatch it. I didn't want to open the concealers yet, though, because I have a lot of concealers currently at the moment. I'm almost done with 2 of them. full size and a mini. So once I do, then I might pull one of those or both. We shall see. But in the meantime, let's swatch this and see what it looks like. I've heard some good things, like mixed reviews on these, but I thought for the price, it was worth giving it a try. It's like a champagne-y color right there. I'm going to see how it dries. Super pretty, but I don't know that I would love it on its own. It wasn't patchy or anything at all going on. So we're going to just go ahead and we'll be trying that here soon in a video. Also, I picked up this on clearance. This is a beauty blender, but in the color black right here. This was on clearance for $5 because it was a holiday one. I guess around Christmas time, they sent these black ones for holiday. And so they put them down to $5, and obviously I saved $15 and actually got it way less than that with my discount. So less than $5, I think, for an actual beauty blender is a steal. So I picked that up as well. This is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara right there. I have been seeing a ton of reviews on this on YouTube, and so I thought, why not give it a try? Less than $5. If I don't love it, then it's okay because it's not that expensive. I have had a lot of great luck though when it comes to Essence mascaras. I haven't found one that I didn't like just yet. So I have good hopes, high hopes for that product. And then this is the L'Oreal Truematch Super Blendable Foundation. And they were doing a buy one, get one half off, I think, or buy one, get one free. I can't remember. So I picked this up in the shade Into. It's their Super Blendable Foundation. I have not tried it just yet. And I picked it up because supposedly, I'm not 100% sure, it's supposed to be a dupe for the Laura Mercier Full Coverage Flawless Foundation. And so we're going to see if that's so. I don't have that foundation, but we're going to try it and just see if it's any good. And with that, I picked up this to try, the Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal. I never tried this, and I do love trying new brow pencils. I did get it in, sorry, the packaging is very reflective. I did get it in the color Taupe because currently my hair is a lot lighter, and I've been liking that look for those lighter brows. So that's what I picked up and with that. So we shall see. I will definitely either do a video on that, or I will get back to you guys on that. Okay, and then right now, if you're not aware, Ulta Beauty is 40% off on most of their makeup products. Not all of them. There are some that are excluded, but it's majority of them. And there was a few things I have been eyeing and wanting to try. So I went ahead and picked them up. And this product I am wearing today on my face, and I did try it today, and I actually do really like it. It blended in so nicely. You can still see some of my blemishes peeking through just a little bit, but overall, in person, the light obviously is accentuating it. I think my face looks definitely put together. It has SPF 24. It's a tinted moisturizer, light pale. This says it's a dewy luminous finish with snow mushroom extract and olive fruit oil to help hydrate. I do feel like the hydration levels were great for my skin. I didn't find like that it made me look more dry or anything. So, and this was 40% off of its original price, and I did enjoy it. I'm going to continue trying it and see what else I think about it, but so far I do like it. I also picked up, I've been wanting to try this. This is their Baked Bronzer. It's just one shade. It's supposed to be universal for all skin tones, and it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of the Laura Geller Baked Bronzer, and I have it on today as well, and I think that it just is really pretty, and I think it blended really nicely. It didn't look patchy or anything like that, or didn't give me trouble blending it, so I am really happy with that. And then I also picked up this trio, blush trio. I've been eyeing this for a long time, and it was on sale for $7.50, and then I got my discount. Like I said, everything's 40% off. This is in the Sweet Rose. There's 3 different ones. There's a lighter one than this, and then there's a little bit deeper. I wanted the lighter one as well, but we didn't have it in stock, so I passed on it. But this is what it looks like. I think the shades are super, super pretty, and less than $7 for 3 blushes. I think that's a steal, and I am wearing it today. I kind of combined all 3 and put them on my face, and I really, really do like the way it looked. And then the last thing from the Ulta Beauty line that I think that I got is, this was also 40% off, the Velvet Matte Lip Crown in the shade Wilderness. I've had another one of these. I actually have a couple of these. I really, really do like their lip crowns. I think that they are so, so pretty. They're pigmented, they're creamy, they're not drying, they wear long. But yeah, I truly, truly love them. And so I thought, why not? This is the shade here. Super, super pretty. And like I said, they're so buttery. If you're not careful, you know, you can get a lot of product, but love, love, love that shade. I think it's so, so pretty. And then you could use it as a lip liner and then fill in your lips with it. Definitely love that. Okay, so those were the things from Ulta Beauty that I picked up. These were also on sale. I think I got this for like 75 cents and this for like $1 at my store. So we love using these. These are the Kitch hair clips. I do love these. That was the normal price, and then I got 90% off of these, I believe it was. So I barely got them for nothing. I love clips like these to throw in my hair, especially for work and stuff. Gloves I got for 90 cents, and that buffer, the square, 56 cents actually. And then those claws, clip claws, I got for $1.69. The Wet n Wild concealers with my discount, I paid $2.24 each. And then the liquid shadow I got for $2.05. The beauty blender I actually paid $3.75. Like I said, it was only $5 on sale. And then with my discount and that additional discount, it was $3.75. And then let's see what else we have on this receipt. I'm going to try to grab. So I've bought in this before. This is just like an edger comb. It has a comb and a brush on the side. I bought myself some of these. I gave my daughter one, and so I picked up another pack for us because we do use these. And those I paid $1.12, and they're normally $6. So couldn't pass that up. I got some more clips, and these I think I'm going to give to my daughter because her hair is way thicker. And I think she could definitely get great use out of these. For these, I paid, where are you? $1.69. So that is not bad when they're typically $9. Thought that was a great deal. These 3 my daughter picked up for me, and she paid with her own money, so I thought that was super sweet. But these were some nails I had on hold. These are the Kiss nails right there. Super cute. I think they were from the Valentine collection. And then I've been wanting to try these, and so she picked these up for me to try. These are the Kiss Impress Press-On Falsies. No glue needed. It comes with the tool right there. And then this is in the style Natural for those everyday lashes. These we sell so much of. People are loving them. So I was like, you know what, I want to give them a try and see if I can do them myself. And then this other one is wispy, so I got them so I can mix the 2 together and see what I think. But people, like I said, we sell so many of those. People absolutely love those. It's kind of like the new thing versus getting lash extensions or buying regular lashes. We sell so many of those. I did pick up this La Roche-Posay. We were having a buy one get one free on a while back on mini products, like in the grab and goes and all that. And so I picked up this Way hair oil right there. This is in a little mini. I've been wanting to try this, and then I was able to get this free. This is a mini of the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. We sell so much of this in the full size, so I was like, I need to try it and see if it's any good. I think I shared with you guys in the last video that people from like all ages, young to older, a lot of them buy those products, and we sell a lot of it, so I thought, why not give it a try and see what I think. And then we also had this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning. It was on sale. I can't remember what I paid for it. It is in the full size. Or maybe we had like 5 times the points or something. I have tried this. I really do love it. I think it's a really good hair mask for dry, damaged hair, or even bleached hair. I think it really does help to repair the hair. And then the last thing that I picked up from Ulta, which I just got the other day, this is from Kenra. This is the Platinum Thickening Mousse. This was on a beauty steal for Ulta Beauty, and it was half off, so I think I paid like 12 bucks for it, and I've heard nothing but good things about this. I do see a lot of people on YouTube using this before styling and drying their hair, and so I picked that up to give a try because I have always wanted to try it. And my hair is not thin, but my hair is very fine, so therefore it does seem to be thin, and so that is why I decided to go ahead and pick it up to kind of give me that volume that I need. So guys, that is everything that I've picked up probably within the last 3 weeks, maybe 4. I wanted to just combine it all instead of having all kinds of different little hauls for you guys and just put it all together. Finally, don't forget that Ulta Beauty's semi-annual sale is going on. Every day there's something different that is for that day only, but then there are other products that are in the sale that go for a certain period of time, so definitely check out your Ulta or your Ulta Beauty app or ultabeauty.com. We also have like our hair products on sale as well. Like we have the shampoos right now are like different prices. Like the Redken, I think in the regular sizes are 2 for $34. Pureology is 2 for $55, somewhere around there. Olaplex is also 2 for something. So if you're needing any kind of hair products, definitely check out the Ulta Beauty app. And if you do download the Ulta Beauty app, it's free. It will let you know whenever those sales are, it will notify you, let you know what sales are going on. It also can tell you your points balance, how many redeemable points you have, any exclusive coupons, things like that. So having the app is really a good feature to have, because it does give you exclusive offers and all of that, and it lets you know all of the sales going on without having to like go and research and all that kind of stuff. And then what they did is they took like all the beauty steals that they would have normally had, that's like makeup and things like that and skincare, they've added the hair to it, so it's like a big old sale kind of thing. So definitely check it out, because there may be something that you may need or want, and right now would be a good time. This is going to complete the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. There are a ton of sales going on right now at Ulta Beauty, so definitely check it out. Alright, so this is going to complete the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.